Counterfeits in terms of money is widespread all around the world. And this problem is unavoidable because there are a huge number of criminals who are out of the eyes of the police or the government. And to stay out of these kind of counterfeit currency problems, we have to be careful by checking our currency which we have in our hand, whether it is a counterfeit one or not. And to find these things, it is not so practical that you have to take all your currency and take it to a bank and ask them to check each note you have. But from all these difficulties, an app came to help us finding all counterfeit currencies which you have using an application called CHKFAKE, and we are going to review that application in this video. Here, and if you end up liking this video, do consider smashing the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel by clicking the red color subscribe button below the description box, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you stay updated in our channel. Now let's take a look onto the review of the CHKFAKE application. So CHKFAKE, yes, go to Play Store and type CHKFAKE. So CHK in the sense check. So if you type this application name, you will get application in the top of the search list with a green and yellowish tint logo onto that. Just download that application, and you have to register onto that application using your social media websites like Facebook, or you can sign in through Google or create an account if there is a need. And next you will find very different types of products, like including Indian currency and all sorts of currency over that. And what is the fun fact is that you can also find options to check whether your motor parts are original or not, like your bike parts or your car parts, everything. And even your cooking gas, yes, is it original or duplicate? You can check all those things. So in order to do that, first, as I told, you have to open up the app, and for example, if you are trying to figure out your 200 rupees note is original or duplicate, select that particular rupee currency note, and after selecting that, you will be having 5 different tips to spot whether that particular product is fake or not. On the basis of that 5 basic tips, there will be some questions which you have to answer. Whether they will ask whether that if you flip that type of currency, can you see this, or when you just rub, can you see that? There'll be n number of questions asked randomly by that application, whether to spot that particular product is fake or not. So for example, as I said, if you take a 200 rupee note, select that particular note inside the app, and there'll be 5 or 6 different questions asked to you in the basis of that application's knowledge. And after answering all to that, the application will determine whether the product which you have is original or duplicate on the basis of the answers which you have given to the application's questions. So this is the basic theory or the basic functionality of this application, which helps us to find out the counterfeits which we have in our home. And when you take counterfeits, not only happen in making of currency, it happens in making of automobile parts like bike parts. Especially in India, you can find duplicate parts of companies like Honda. There are a huge number of companies, and in even the household cooking gas stove, in that also you can find fakes. So if you want to spot a original genuine gas stove, also you can approach this application and answer to all the questions which this application asks. I hope that this review has helped you in some way to spot some fake things around your house. So that's it for today's video, and as I said in the beginning, if you end up liking this, do consider smashing the like button. So I'm Arnav here, signing off from Tech Arena. Let's meet in the next beautiful video.